So, hello everyone, this side is Badal, and I am back with our series, the next video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the BlackRock just launched the ETF of Ethereum, and this is not the ETF as same as they launched in back of the days in July 2024. So this is very different from that. So what is special about this ETF? So it's basically it's a staked Ethereum ETF. So what it means? It's basically you can stake your Ethereum inside the ETF. ETF, what is basically? ETF is basically a exchange traded fund. So let's start with the beginning. So as March of 17, Bitcoin is just hovering around 73,500 to 74,000, and after briefly topping 75k, Ethereum just hit 2,300 per Ethereum, and with double digit week gains in this week. Okay, and the whole market is showing surprisingly strength despite of the geopolitical tension. And but the biggest news right now is BlackRock. The BlackRock, who recently launched ETF B on 12th of March, and I think therefore that's why the loads of institutional investors are trying to put their money into the Ethereum, and that's why the Ethereum prices spikes to 2,300. And we let's now we talk about the sport ETF launched in 2024, that I already told you. And right now Ethereum ETF launched by the BlackRock, which is the largest asset management company, with manage approx 14 trillion assets under their management. So recently launched the iShare staked Ethereum Trust ETF. So what it's basically a sport ETF, which is very different from sport ETF. It also has the sport ETF capability, but you also can stake your Ethereum. Okay, so what is the benefits you get from staking? You get 2 to 3% of yield each and every year by just staking your ETH in the ETF. Okay, so in the previous ETF, you will get only the price of the Ethereum that goes up if you invest in the ETF. If the price goes up or down, you will get the price appreciation or depreciation. Okay, and you will also pay the fees. And in the ETHB, Ethereum Exchange Traded Fund B, it means you can have the possibility capability to stake. It means you also get the staked amount, so you can cash out it and pay the fees of the ETF. And let's go. This is the very good thing happens right now. That's why the crypto is going up, I think. And let's so where is the ETF launched? It's launched on Nasdaq. You can search on it on the trading view or any other broker exchanges who support the Nasdaq. Okay, so let's talk about the white matters. Why this ETF is matter most? Because brings yield directly to Wall Street, no need to self-stake or used in DeFi, which is perfect for pension advisors, institutions who want to passive income. If anybody who wants to 2 to 3% returns from their cryptos, they can stake into the ETHB Ethereum ETFs, so they can get the passive income from that. And signal massive confident, which is BlackRock already pushing the Ethereum for tokenization and RWA. What is RWA? RWA is basically real world assets, and the market is increasing. Ethereum market is increasing right now. And what the risk? The risk are basically slashing. The event happens because you invest in something. If you do some uneven things into from your assets, so you can be slashed by the companies and by the network. And so the what happens right now, if inflows hit like BTC ETF, Ethereum, Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum, could see fresh demand push toward 2500 to 3000 Ethereum price going surge. And analysts already calling it investor choice product. It means investors also liking this product. Okay, so data comparison, Ethereum staking yield beats many traditional bonds. This right now happening in the market. And so right now this ETHB launched. And Bitcoin also strength shows in the institutions. So all the crypto in 2026. Tomorrow we will cover the FOMC decision and impact, what will impact happens with these ETFs. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like the button, and follow for more updates. And see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and exploring the crypto space with me. And I'm on my way. This side is Badal signing off. Thank you.